Hey everyone, you know it's been a great week when the promo video you're making comes out in Hebrew and you didn't ask for Hebrew. Also, blurry people, wrong characters showing up, shots not matching. Video 3, are you possessed? Honestly, this week felt like tech karma coming back to collect. Features broke, promo videos broke, even our confidence broke a little. But hey, welcome to week 19 of Action's journey from zero to unicorn in 1000 days. This was the week we questioned everything, and then we kept building anyway. Let's start with the biggest train wreck, our Video 3 promo video. The idea was great. Capture a match, overlay the fan voice feedback in real time, build hype. But here's what we got instead. One 8-second clip shows a player sprinting. The next 8 seconds, different player, same jersey. Oh, and on-screen text in Hebrew. Why? No idea. Characters switch between clips like a Marvel universe. The footage quality was weirdly blurry, and trying to fix one thing broke 3 others. It was like editing with blindfolds on. We've learned one thing though. Relying on AI video tools might sound efficient, but right now, it's more like beta testing your own sanity. Might need to get the cameras out and go old school. And then we thought, okay, no worries. The YouTube content will carry us. Plot twist, it didn't. We've been putting out some really honest, behind the scenes stuff like this. Exactly what we promised. The action journey, raw, transparent, and real. But views, almost zero. Nada. A ghost town. Which makes you think, is this valuable? Does anyone care? But then we remember, it's not about now. We're not doing this for immediate views. We're documenting the journey for when people do care. When action breaks through and people ask, how did they build this? The story will be sitting right there, waiting. We're just talking to the future, not the algorithm. Now let's talk about product. We somehow failed to build full screen again. Second time, still wrong. What should be a simple feature, full screen playback, was opening up a new window, reloading the video, starting from scratch, every single time. It was painful. But we realized something important. We were solving the wrong problem. We jumped back into development without deeply rethinking the logic after the first failure. Rookie mistake. Cost us time. Hopefully it won't happen again. Then there is the tagging. It works, but only after you tap twice. Once to close the keyboard, again to actually tag. Feels like trying to pat your head and rub your stomach at the same time. Annoying. And testing. A mess. iOS had live data, Android had test data. I'm trying to test the same thing across 2 different realities. It felt like QA in the Matrix. We've been doing this weird thing where we develop for 5 days and then we try to test and fix everything over the weekend. Surprise, surprise, come Monday, bugs are still there, app isn't deployed, new sprint's already started and everything's on fire. So we're fixing that. From next sprint, we're baking testing and fixing time into the sprint itself. Better structure equals better sanity. Now, before you think it's all misery and Hebrew bugs, let's talk about what did go well. Fan voice got some love. We redesigned the layouts so player ratings, keep doing and to improve are always visible and easy to engage with. A cleaner user interface equals more fan interaction. Fixtures now auto-scroll to the next match. Previously, you had to manually scroll halfway down the list to find your upcoming game. Not anymore. Just open it and bam. There it is. Club profiles now include filters to toggle between last season and current season. For tables, fixtures and fan voice. It keeps the screen clean, but the data accessible. And lastly, referral codes. We were using a chaotic mix of uppercase, lowercase and numbers. It was a visual headache. Now, just uppercase and numbers. Easy to read, easy to type and actually usable. It's these small quality of life upgrades that slowly start to compound. And while it's hard to celebrate them in the middle of chaos, they matter. So yes, week 19 wasn't glamorous, we didn't launch a feature, we didn't go viral, we didn't blow up on YouTube. But here's the thing, we're still here, still showing up, still building. Some weeks remind you that building a startup isn't about fireworks, it's about stamina and choosing to keep going when no one's watching. If you're a founder, a maker, or someone building something that no one understands yet, this one's for you. You're not alone. If you're watching this and building something of your own, comment below with the worst tech fail you've had. Let's swap war stories. And if you haven't downloaded Action yet, come on. Get in now before we call and you have to pretend we were here early. See you next week, hopefully with a fewer bugs and more wins. Thank you.